All right, everyone, buckle up because what starts as a casual drone flight quickly spirals into a full-on confrontation at a police station. We've got a man filming scenery, officers in plain clothes showing up unexpectedly, and a situation that goes from zero to chaotic in seconds. Who's overstepping their authority? Who's legally in the right? Stick around, because this case dives deep into the gray areas of law, public rights, and police procedure. And trust me, you do not want to miss how it unfolds.
Mind, it's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay. Well, I think someone's gonna come and do it.
There's really no need. So that's the view that we got inside. I'm gonna put a little thing on the screen anyway, but anyway, let me pick this back up because it's not a good idea to operate a drone with one hand. I'm sure that's not in the yeah, I'm sure that's not allowed. So just bear with me whilst we get the party started. Very concerned looking police lady in plain clothes, bless her. Yeah, see how this one develops. Making a video.
Well, why here?
So who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
Oh, are you?
doing this here under the police station, so why are you
Oh,
here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can
no,
you
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me.
Can
What
we
are
call a
you doing?
unit, please?
Hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't.
Notice the shift here. He's polite, even apologetic, but as soon as the officer gets involved, the tone changes. This is textbook escalation. Legally, the issue isn't just the drone. It's a lack of clarity on detention. He's confused, they're frustrated, and neither side is fully listening. This is a classic example of how quickly a minor misunderstanding can turn into a legal standoff, and it's fascinating to watch the tension build in real time.
You know, you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you just
Someone
right.
call the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No,
what do
you're
you
not
mean I'm
leaving
What, am
now.
I detained? What's going
Well,
on
you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filmed in the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under? What's going on?
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm
No,
leaving.
we need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you
your
don't need to
phone
look.
and
You don't need to
the
look at
back of-
anything.
Now things really heat up. The officer calmly asks him to bring the drone down, citing security concerns. He, however, believes he's exercising his rights. Here's the legal gray zone: public space filming versus police restrictions near sensitive areas. Both sides have partially valid points, but neither is communicating effectively. This is the exact moment where escalation is inevitable, a clash of principle rather than law, and it's where tempers flare and confusion peaks.
Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even detaining me. So what's going on? You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to
I'm not
stay
trying to
here.
run away. I've
Get
asked you a
someone
question.
to
Am I
look.
detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you were outside police station.
I can
With
be
your
outside the
drone.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at
I
the
don't have a
back.
police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you
Because
here
I'm
with
allowed
your
to fly it.
drone?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're not.
Of course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed
you're
to
not.
fly it.
Go to the, neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go to
police
the park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from you. Sorry.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me.
Fly with a drone,
You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. Like,
to the Oxford and get someone outside.
why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
No, you
because
just tried to. You lot have just put
have
hands
your
on me numerous
drone
times.
Over the police
I can have it over the
station.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
You lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detained under. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Ask you a question. Why are you
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic.
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
Of course you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would. You would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone. What?
Yeah,
It's illegal.
over
It's
the
a legal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
a legal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this? Oh,
Yes, I do.
you?
I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Look closely here. The officers physically block him from leaving, but never clearly state he's detained. Legally, that's a mess. From his perspective, he's being grabbed with no formal grounds. From theirs, he's suspicious near a secure facility. The takeaway? Ambiguity kills authority. If the police had just clearly stated detention under a specific law, this shouting match might have been avoided entirely.
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like
No, I
that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well, yeah? So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up. Right now, I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
You can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there, yeah.
Okay then, so we can get a uniform unit and you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under Terrorism Act.
Yeah,
There
what
you
section?
go.
Which section?
Stop recording me.
What's what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about, you don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened. So.
And here it is, the climax of tension. He's surrounded, scared, and panicked, yet still trying to assert his rights. Both parties feel justified. One defending personal freedom, the other defending public safety. But adrenaline takes over, insults fly, and professionalism collapses. This is exactly how small confrontations can spiral into dangerous encounters. Notice how verbal provocation escalates faster than physical resistance. A key takeaway for anyone in these situations.
yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say it.
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
I've got my designation card on me.
Alright. See this guy gonna start white knighting.
You guys okay? Who's flying the drones?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation
You don't.
cards.
You're sure about that?
Card is what I have on my shoulder, me.
So you don't have a card there that shows your. So may I see it
You already
so I can
have
see?
shoulder number, that's
I'm not.
enough
I'm
for
speaking
you.
to her. I'm not speaking
Enough
to
for
you.
Mate, can I understand why
Mate.
you're flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying a drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said
Okay.
I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our
Yeah.
premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because it's.
It's important to highlight. He repeatedly asks if he's detained and under what authority. Legally, an officer must identify themselves and state the grounds for detention. The lack of clarity here not only fuels fear but also raises serious questions about proper procedure. This moment underscores why understanding your rights is crucial, and how police ambiguity can make an ordinary encounter explode into chaos.
They put hands on me and stuff like that
Because obviously we
you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes. I don't even know you're police. Do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being detained. You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no. If you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands on
If you
you.
try and stop me from leaving, I'm gonna push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're gonna get put off me. Do you understand?
Right, I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
Don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over.
Right,
Don't put hands
you
on me.
cannot just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah,
I
I can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen,
Okay,
I'm detaining. Can I understand? Why are you
You don't need
flying
to understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expected
into-
to find? You just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expected to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
It's none of your business.
So, because this is the police premises.
Check this out. The discussion over designation cards and authority is fascinating. Officers refuse to show credentials, he's questioning their legitimacy, and the procedural structure collapses. Legally, officers have powers, but transparency is key to avoid escalation. When protocol isn't followed clearly, even a legal detention or stop can feel unlawful, leading to confrontations like this. It's a masterclass in procedural missteps and communication breakdown.
Can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
who
Are you
detained-
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section
detained
1 of
you?
PACE.
Harriet Mel, with a drone at the Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping and search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
But yeah, there you go. There's my warrant card right there.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen, yeah?
Well, I don't expect this. I
So
certainly
you're
don't
very
expect.
much
I
mistaken.
certainly don't expect
So
this.
you're very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
So
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and
in a position where you
threaten to
are
search
at the
me under
moment.
section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the
you
one that
did.
launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well,
we
yeah,
could've just
because
had a
you
conversation.
were flying
If you could have
drone
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms. You
station.
could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, why are you flying a drone?
You know, I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of PACE.
So what can we take away from this case? It's a perfect storm of unclear authority, miscommunication, and legal gray areas. The drone pilot exercised his public rights. The officers were concerned for security, but both failed to manage escalation properly. The lesson? Clear identification, stated grounds, and calm communication are essential in police encounters. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.